Yo, what's up, Goofy Goobers? It's me again. So basically, we live in Azul, right, which is like a pretty normal temperature place. But these days, it's been really hot, so like that almost dried up. So I give them water again. But I don't know why. But that make them really clear, which I guess is a good thing because you can actually see into them now. Wait. It's a good example. As you can see, it's now see-through. No way, look, there's a snail. Also, there used to be like a weird cricket down there. I don't know where they went. Yeah, all of them were like dried up, so my friend asked me, moss. Yeah. So basically, I really have nothing to say. Oh yeah. This, oh, what the? This is also clear. This is the clearest it has ever been since the creation. As you can see, you can actually finally see to the bottom now, which is crazy. And yeah, that's it. Bye.